Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ik from the Honda guys here. Today I'm driving the old Honda HR-V and there is a hype in social media that the latest generation HR-V will be launched soon in Malaysia. And in this video, I'll do a quick review and comparison between the old and the new generation HR-V. Okay, before we start, if you guys not subscribed to this channel yet, please do so and press that bell button as well. We are giving away the Samsung Watch 4 for our lucky subscriber when we hit 1000 subs. In order for you guys to win the contest, first you need to subscribe to this channel and then comment #THG giveaway in the comment section below. Let's start with the exterior. If you compare both generations, the latest generation HR-V features a much more slimmer LED headlamp with the trapezoid shaped grille. Do note that the new Honda HR-V come in two different phases. We expect the lower spec HR-V will come with the horizontal bar design, while the top of the range RS will be fitted with the diamond mesh grille. Let's move on to the side of the car. This old V-spec HR-V come with the 17-inch wheel. In fact, all variants use the same 17-inch wheel design, except the RS version with its unique flower-like design. For the new HR-V, we expect that the base model will be offered with 17-inch wheel, while the V and the RS will be equipped with the 18-inch wheel. We can see that this generation HR-V side profile feature this shoulder line that moving upward and join the rear door handle. While for the latest HR-V, the design is much more matured and classy with prominent horizontal shoulder line that connect the front headlamp to the rear lamp. Now, let's move along to the rear of the car. This HR-V feature this unique rear lamp. If you ask for my opinion, I do prefer the latest generation HR-V rear lamp because it is much more minimalist and slimmer as well, and it is spanned along the boot until it meets the Honda logo in the middle. The bonnet are now much more longer while the roofline is sleeker, offering a dynamic appeal to the SUV. The overall size for the new HR-V is much more bigger to this old generation HR-V. The new HR-V are 39mm longer while maintaining the same wheelbase at 2610mm. It is also 20mm wider at 1790mm and 15mm lower at 1590mm than the old HR-V. Now, let's go inside. This generation HR-V feature a driver-centric dashboard where the center console is moving toward the driver, while the new HR-V feature a quite similar layout to the new Honda Civic. The design is much more simpler and I do hope that the manual control air condition makes its way to the new HR-V. This touch panel kind of thing is a bit turned off as I need to take my eyes off the road just for the sake of changing the aircon temperature. 8-inch floating infotainment system will be making its way, replacing this 7-inch touchscreen information system as well. Let's move to the back and have a closer look. One thing that I think HR-V win inside is because of the Ultra seat that makes it debut in 2001 Honda Jazz, which is called Magic Seat back then. This is brilliant as you can free up the handy space and it is useful when you want to fit a taller and bigger item, let's say a houseplant or a bicycle. And if you guys notice, there is no rear aircon vent for this old generation HRV, which is a little bit downside for its price back then. Even the GM6 Honda City does come with the rear vent. As for the latest generation, there will be an aircon vent for the rear passenger, which is good addition for our weather. Just to let you guys know, Honda Malaysia just opened the order book for the latest generation Honda HRV, and we expect that the HRV launching will be happening soon. We at the Honda guys expect that it will be offered in 3 variants with 1.5 litre VTEC turbo from the Honda Civic and the 1.5 litre eHCV engine hopefully to making its way here. As for the price itself, I'm expecting it to be priced from 110 to 130,000 ringgit for the highest variant. So what do you guys think? Will you ever consider to purchase the latest Honda HRV? Book the new HRV with me through my number here. And also remember to subscribe to this channel in order for you guys to be the lucky winner for the Samsung Watch 4. Comment #THG giveaway to join the contest. Signing off for this week's video, I'm Ik from the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. Bye.